Hi Wayne, this is a demonstration of the Valiant after multiple repairs. I've got it working great now. We're monitoring on a receiver that's behind the transmitter. You can see the wattage and the modulation.
Hello. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there she is talking. She sounds really good.
So when you're loading the Valiant, remember, they're a little bit more finicky compared to your Viking 2. There is your grid. Go over to plate. Now you can advance your coupling. Turn that volume down a little bit. Always redip. You see you're putting out well over 100 watts. And there's your mod current. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's actually a pretty smooth tuning Valiant compared to some that I've seen.